If you want to become rich, add these habits in your lifestyle. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of saving before spending. If you want to become rich, develop the habit of setting clear financial goals. To become rich, make a habit of investing in yourself and your education. To become rich, adopt the habit of living below your means. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of taking calculated risks. To become rich, make it a habit to seek multiple streams of income. If you want to become rich, develop the habit of delayed gratification. To become rich, cultivate the habit of continuous learning and growth. To become rich, develop the habit of thinking long-term rather than short-term. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of surrounding yourself with successful people. To become rich, make the habit of seeking opportunities in every challenge. If you want to become rich, develop the habit of paying yourself first. To become rich, cultivate the habit of giving back and helping others. If you want to become rich, make it a habit to stay disciplined with your finances. To become rich, develop the habit of mastering your emotions and impulses. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of thinking creatively and innovatively. To become rich, make it a habit to focus on providing value to others. If you want to become rich, develop the habit of taking ownership of your financial situation. To become rich, cultivate the habit of living with intention and purpose. If you want to become rich, make the habit of diversifying your investments. To become rich, develop the habit of mastering the art of negotiation. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of persistence in the face of failure. If you want to become rich, develop the habit of staying focused on your goals. To become rich, cultivate the habit of being proactive rather than reactive. If you want to become rich, make the habit of saving and investing consistently. To become rich, develop the habit of living with integrity and honesty. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of seeking knowledge and expertise. To become rich, make it a habit to take responsibility for your financial future. If you want to become rich, develop the habit of gratitude for what you have. To become rich, cultivate the habit of resilience in the face of adversity. If you want to become rich, make the habit of setting high standards for yourself. To become rich, develop the habit of investing in assets that generate passive income. If you want to become rich, cultivate the habit of staying disciplined even when success comes. Thank you for joining us on this journey of reflection and inspiration. Feel free to comment and please like, share and subscribe our channel AhemQuotes. Until then, stay motivated, stay inspired and stay amazing.